Avoid Salesforce program at all costs. Now, why I'm talking about it? Because most of you have seen already that most people are making videos, get swags, get 100% swags, complete the labs within 5 minutes and earn the swags. So here I'm going to clarify some of the important things which most of the YouTubers are missing just for their sake of their benefit. And this is important thing you need to understand whenever you participate in the Salesforce challenge. So here we'll cover everything in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So first of all, you need to understand what is Salesforce event. Here it's just like arcade event. We complete some quest and complete the challenge. Okay, there are some challenges including some quizzes, some labs, etc. and get a chance to win. Now here they are saying chance to win, not 100% people will be getting the facts. Here you get the hint. Now, the main topic is that most people are making videos that you will be getting these many prizes, etc., but they are not telling the main thing that will be getting the facts. For example, if you open this, currently this Vibe t-shirt challenges like, and most people are making videos related to it. Now, here, if you come over here and just check the rules, okay. So here in the rules section, if you see for learning purpose, there is no issue. You can participate in this program and learn good things, learn about Einstein layer, learn about building apps, learn about building agent force and some more things. Okay. Now here they have mentioned that we'll be getting the swags. So 500 peoples will be getting the swags. So you can see multiple peoples are completing the challenge, more than lakhs of people, as it is a global event. So more than lakhs of people are participating, but only 500 will be getting the swags. So that too random. So is there any surety of getting the swags? No. Now coming to the next challenge, which is related to this. Okay, the champion, the innovator, the legend. Here also you can see the first 1,000 people and the first 500 people and the first 100 people. So once you earn these status, that does not mean you'll be getting the sacks. If you are in the first thousands, means this event started in January first week, means to be honest, by second or third week of January it started. And if you start now, then getting sacks for these all challenges is next to impossible, means not possible, to be more precise. So completing this challenge just for swags is a waste of time. If you want knowledge, you can participate. There is no issue. Similarly, for all these challenges, you can see as we are towards the end of the event. So if you try to complete all these challenge, then you won't be getting any swags. In simple words, if you're trying to gain swags, you need to start from the first, means first week of February, first week of January, whenever the event is live. If you start at the end of the event, means today is 23rd only and you can see the month is ending. So if you start now, chances of getting swags is next to impossible, because we already covered. If you just check our channel, whenever the event is live, we make the videos first related to Salesforce, and after that everyone follows, but they don't mention that who will be getting the swags. So you need to be careful whom to follow and whom to just subscribe. Okay, so this was the quick thing I wanted to share. Okay, so if you're trying to learn about Salesforce, take part in it. But if you're trying to get a swags, do not start now. It will just waste your time if you're targeting swags. For learning purpose, there is no issue. But there is a different program named Google Cloud Arcade where you'll getting 100% sure swags and cool goodies. I've shared the registration video, how to participate, what are the guidelines. You can just check it out. Just wanted to make sure that you are aware of the rules before participating and following anyone blindly. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.